Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English Moments. This is day 8 of our 30-day English speaking challenge.
Yes, today we will talk about something very important: how to fix your mistakes when speaking English.
Mistakes are normal. Everyone makes them. But the key is how you correct yourself.
Exactly. So stay with us until the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more daily English practice. Part 1. Why mistakes are okay.
First of all, let's remember, making mistakes is not a problem.
That's true. Mistakes actually show that you are learning and improving.
So don't feel shy. Instead, learn to correct yourself naturally.
Today, we'll show you some useful expressions you can use when you make a mistake in English. Part 2. Simple correction expressions.
Let's start with the most common one, I mean.
Right. For example, he go to school every day. Oh, I mean, he goes to school every day.
Another one is, sorry, I meant to say.
For example, I am boring. Sorry, I meant to say I am bored. Part 3. Rephrasing.
Sometimes you want to say something in another way. You can use, let me try again.
Or, let me rephrase that.
Example, my teacher angry me. Let me rephrase that. My teacher made me angry.
See, that sounds much better. Part 4. Taking time to think.
If you need a few seconds to think, you can use filler words.
Yes, like, well, let's see, or how should I put it?
These small words give you time to correct yourself without stopping the conversation.
And they make you sound more natural. Part 5. Practical examples.
Let's practice some wrong and correct sentences together.
Okay. 1. Wrong. He go to the market yesterday. Correct. He went to the market yesterday.
2. Wrong. She don't like apples. Correct. She doesn't like apples.
3. Wrong. I am boring. Correct. I am bored.
4. Wrong. He can sings very well. Correct. He can sing very well.
5. Wrong. My friend is doctor. Correct. My friend is a doctor.
See how we correct the mistakes quickly and naturally?
Yes, you don't need to panic. Just fix it and keep going. Part 6. Repeat after me practice.
Now let's do some practice together. When we say the wrong sentence, you try to correct it. Ready?
Let's go.
He go to school every day.
Now you, correct it.
He goes to school every day.
I am exciting.
Your turn. Say it correctly.
I am excited.
She don't has a car.
Try to fix it.
She doesn't have a car.
Great job. You are correcting mistakes just like a real English speaker. Part 7. Encouragement and extra tips.
Remember, when you make a mistake, don't stop talking.
Yes, just correct yourself quickly and keep going.
Another tip, record your own voice when you speak English. Later, listen to it and find your mistakes.
That's a very powerful method. It helps you hear what you really say and how to fix it.
And finally, be patient with yourself. Learning takes time. Even native speakers make small mistakes, so don't be afraid. So, that's it for day 8, mistake tips.
We hope you enjoyed this practice and learned something useful today.
Remember, making mistakes is part of learning. Don't stop speaking.
And if you found this video helpful, please give us a like and subscribe to Learn English Moments.
We'll see you again tomorrow for day 9. Bye-bye.